Today I am going to talk about a serious issue which is faced by Lenovo users. Lenovo laptop users face a problem that their touchpad stops working. They don't know how to make it work back. Today I am going to give solution to this problem. First of all, listen the concept. The touchpad stops working due to the driver update. You have to just uninstall the new driver which has been updated and send it back to the or restore it back to the original one. It is very simple. Just install any driver booster software which shows how to update driver. For example, I have downloaded this driver booster software. Here you can see that all the drivers are up to date. You can scan your system which will show that your drivers are updated. After this updation you will face a problem. Your keyboard, your touchpad will stop working. If you put an external keyboard, external mouse, it will work. But the internal touchpad, that is touchpad of the laptop, will stop working. So here search keyboard and press enter. You will see HID keyboard device. After that press here. Then look at this version. This is the original version. Here it shows rollback. You will press here and you will go back to this version. If you have installed the latest version 2020, 21, 22, then it will stop working. You have to just roll back and restore your device to the original version, original driver. Your problem will be resolved. So now my touchpad is working. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed seeing it. Thank you.